And so recently I just posted on Instagram that we got the Novistretch car mask for the Charger and the Durango. So what I wanted to do today, for those with Durangos, just kind of go over where I mounted the buttons and just show what mine looks like now that it's on the Durango. Now for reference, before I start showing you the Durango, so on the Charger, the Novistretch hooks into these. It's got these two bands that hook into the top right over where the hood pins would go if you do the hood pin replacement, but they go right there. And then for me, because I am modified with fenders, I used two screw mounts that are actually in there from the factory, the ones that are behind there, to replace those with the buttons in the factory positions. They're set up to fit Chargers and Challengers 300s, all kind of the same way. They're all going to be this same basic process. The two bottom plastic pull pins, you pull those out and replace them with the screws and the backings. So that's the basic setup for the Charger. All right, so I'm down on the passenger side of the Durango. So the first one I replaced is this bottom, it was this bottom screw here. It's this one here. Basically what I did was I just removed this, put in the metal connector, and screwed in the button into this spot here. The second one that I used is up here. This is one of the plastic rivets that helps attach the actual little fender flare for the SRT Durango. It goes there. So I drilled it out, popped that out, and I put in the metal bracket behind the cover here, and then screwed the snap onto that. So with the Durango being quite much bigger than the Charger, obviously, the elastic end here that's on the actual cover, my wife had the idea to use a hair tie and make an extender for this portion of that that loop. So what it does is it just helps take a little bit of the tension off of it and let it set a little more in place like it should like it does for the Chargers and Challengers. On the Charger, I didn't bother with, they're gonna send you a small piece of Velcro that they want you to kind of put down in this area to kind of keep it clear of the hood latch. I didn't use it on the Charger, but I did for the Durango, just to kind of help keep it out the way. So that's what's kind of set in here. And as you can see, from one end all the way around, very clean. It keeps it out of the way of the hood latch for the Durango. And overall, I mean, honestly, this install was probably 15 minutes tops to have it done start to finish. So if you're in the market for the Novistretch, you can use it for a Durango, and hopefully this helps those who have Durango who want to use a Novistretch be able to apply it to their vehicle and keep the front end safe while they go to car shows. Okay, show you on this side. So I took the bra off. There's the one button, and then the other one's right there. So kind of keep them, that was enough stretch on it so that it didn't wrinkle around the edge there.